apparatus manufacturing which require high precision. Now let me introduce you the major components and configuration of SDMT CNC press brake. 1. The CNC system is Swiss Cyberlux CT8 system. Touch screen, easy to learn and operate. 2. The back gauge is 3+1 axis heavy type back gauge which features higher precision, intensity and parallelism. The back gauge using Taiwan TBI high precision ball screw and linear guide. Powerful servo motor. Silent synchronous belt and intensify beam. Z-axis stopper finger is running at double linear guide. Very stable. And the height could adjust manually, so that it is suitable for various specification of tools. 3. The machine apply hydraulic programmable crowning system. This is developed and researched by SDMT with patent which features higher precision 0.01 mm. Max crowning 2 mm. 4. Apply top quality taping cylinder. China top brand. And sealed by Japan Valqua seal ring. Ensure no leak of oil in high temperature and pressure. Very long performance life. 5. Hydraulic system is Germany Argo brand. Closed loop proportion valve. Stronger loading capacity and stability. The noise in full loading condition is below 80 dB, while slide descending transform between slow and fast pattern. The movement is smooth and stable. No stop and no vibration. 6. The machine apply exclusive electric cabinet. Electric components is Schneider. French. Follow international standard. Featuring higher resistance capacity, more reliable quality and longer performance life. 7. Apply imported grading scale. The positioning precision is 0.01 mm. 8. Quick clamp is installed at tool. Very easy to change the tools. SDMT is in constant efforts to provide best technology and services to our customers. Now let us take a look on how the CNC press brake works. Now we bend a long steel plate. This is a long steel plate of 2.5 meters. At first we program at CT8 system. Setting 90 degree. X-axis bending depth 50 millimeters. OK. Finish. We measure. We can see it is exactly 90 degree at right side. It is same at middle position. Also the left side. Very precise angle at the whole workpiece. This also prove the precision of hydraulic crowning. Now we measure position precision at X-axis. It is 50 millimeters on the program. In measurement right side is exactly 50 millimeters. It is same exactly 50 millimeters at left side. This proved the perfect parallelism at back gauge. Now let us bend 90 degree arc. We have arc function on CT8. This icon. Now we bend. Arc bending is realized by multiple bending at same degree, so that precision in multiple positioning is very important. Fast bending. OK. Finish. Now we fit the two workpiece. We can see the two-piece fitting perfect. What a perfect performance on multiple positioning precision. At last we bend a long steel plate with multiple angle. Program. First step 90 degree. Second step same 90 degree. The third step 135 degree. Now we bend. Finish. Very fast. Take a look. What a fine piece of multiple angle.